Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to solve video icon. To know how to fix Facebook or how to solve Facebook video icon, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Sorry for that. You will go to apps, then you will enter to the application of Facebook. After that, in this page you will go to click force stop, then you will enter to storage. Here you will go to click clear cache, and after that you will go to click clear data, and then you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.